Hey guys, the Goofy one here, and I'm going to show you how to walk on walls. But you have to have your hands on the floor. Hands on the floor. Okay, I'm getting carried away. So what you do is you turn around, face me, and then okay, this is quite hard. So you, now you can walk on the wall. And that's how you walk on walls. That's how you walk on walls. You just go here, here, slip, 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 slip. Oops, I did it wrong. Oops, I did it wrong. So now I'm going to walk on the walls again. Like this. Keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Yeah. That's how you walk on walls. Boss. So, if you like the short song and you're new to the channel, click that like and that subscribe button. And be sure to check out my channel. Post videos every day in my room after school. Woo! Signing out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.